Alright guys, today my little rant is going to be about views and how YouTube shows your views. Okay, if you see here, on this video here that's relatively new, and also on this one, you see there's no views, okay? But when I click on here, and I go over here, on the next page, scroll down, I have 2 views on this one, right there. So, I mean, this has been happening across the board on all of my videos, and it's really hard to keep track if I'm getting views or not getting views. And I'm not sure if there's a fix for it, but if anybody does have a fix for it, please do contact me. I'd love to know if there's a way to get around this. Alright, so thank you so much, and see you in the next video.